Hello kids, welcome to the maths class. I hope you have watched my last video and you have understood the concept of money. Today we are going to learn something more about money. The objective of today's learning is to understand how to convert the rupees into paise and the paise into rupees. Let us first revise what we have learned in our previous video. We have learned about the different currency notes and the coins of India. We have learned that paise has only 2 digits. So when we put the point of paise, we must put it after 2 digits from the right hand side. We also came to know that the amount at the left side of the point is rupees and that on the right side is paise. We also learned how to write the amounts in words and also in figures. We have also learned in our previous video that rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. For this video also, before doing the examples, we must remember that rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. That means 100 paise makes 1 rupee. Now let us see the first example given to us. Now what is the number given to us? Rupees 4. Now we have to remember that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So what we will do is, for rupees 4 we will just write 2 zeros with it. So it will become 400 paise. Because we know that 100 has 2 zeros, so along with the number we will just add 2 zeros and make it 400. So we can write over here 400 paise. So we can write 400 paise. We just have to add 2 zeros to 4 to make it paise. Now let us look at the next example. Now read with me, rupees 85.25. Now rupees 85.25 we have to convert into paise. Now point is given over here, and what is the meaning of point? Point means that it is showing that the digits that are before the point, they are rupees, and digits that are after the point, that is in the right side of the point, that are paise. Now we are using point to divide rupees and paise, separate rupees and paise. But now we have to convert it into paise. To convert into paise we do not need point. We have to show just the number into paise. So what we will do, we will just move the point at the right side. We will remove the point. We don't need the point, so we will remove the point. Now can you read the number with me? 8525. Now since we have removed the point, the number has come together. So what will be the number now? 8525 paise. 8525 paise. Now let us look into the next example. Now rupees 0.29. Now again rupees is written over here and point is given to separate rupees and paise. Now whole thing we have to convert into paise. Now when we are converting into paise, do we need the point? No, we don't need the point, because we don't need to separate rupees and paise. We just need to write it into paise. So what we will do, we will just move the point outside or remove the point from the number. Now what is left? 0 to 9. Now we know that 0 has no value. When 0 is coming before any number, that has no value. That means simply the number is 29 paise. Since we are converting into paise, so we will write 29 paise. We can write the short form of paise like P, or we can also write the full spelling. Now we will learn how to convert into rupees and paise. The amounts are given in paise. We have to convert into rupees and paise. Now look at the first one. Now to 234 paise. What is written over here? 234 paise. We have to convert it into rupees and paise both. First of all, we have to separate rupees and paise. To separate rupees and paise, what we have to do? We have to put the point. And how do we put the point? We put the point after 2 digits from the right hand side, because paise always has how many digits? Only 2 digits. So we will put a point after 2 digits from the right hand side. So we will put a point over here. Now we know that after putting the point, the numbers that are at the right side of the point are paise, and the numbers that are at the left side of the point are rupees. So we know that 2 is rupees. So here we will write that rupees 2. Now point is there, so we will put point. Now 34 paise. So we will just write over here 34. Point is there already, so we don't need to write paise again. Now let us see the next example. Again 4172 paise. 4172 paise. Again we have to convert it into rupees and paise. For that again we have to put the point. We will put the point after 2 digits from the right hand side. So again we will bring the point, and we will put the point after 2 digits from the right hand side. Now again we know that the digits at the right hand side of the point is paise, and the digits at the left hand side of the points are rupees. So we know that 41 is rupees. So here we will put the symbol of rupees and we will write down 41. Then we will put the point. Now what is there after point? 72. So we will write over here 72. So what is the amount? Rupees 41.72. Now next one is 6 paise. Now 6 paise is given over here. We have to convert it into rupees also and paise also. Now paise is already given to us. Now how we will know that what is rupees? Nothing is given over here. No amount is given over here for rupees. That means we know rupees 0. Nothing is there. That means 0. So we will first of all we will put the symbol of rupees and we will write down 0, because we know that it is rupees 0 because nothing is there. Now 6 paise. Now we know that paise has always 2 digits, because after 2 digits we only put the point of paise. So 6 is not 2 digit, it is only 1 digit. To make it 2 digit, how we will write? We will put a point, then we will write 0 6. Now 6 we write as 06 to make it 2 digit. Now the answer is rupees 0.06. Let us recall what we have learned today. While converting into rupees, step 1 is to separate the rupees and paise by putting a point. While putting the point, we must remember that the point must be put after 2 digits from the right hand side. In this way, you can convert into rupees and paise. Now, while converting into paise, step 1 is to remove the point from the amount. After removing the point, you can easily convert the rupees into paise. I hope kids you have understood the concept of money, how to convert into rupees and paise. Now complete the pages that has been given to you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.